What up?
It's Uptown Swing level 3,
That's right.
and it's Swingouts, and it's Peter, and it's Val.
We did a lot of Texas Tommy, y'all. Sorry about your shoulder. We did a million follower things.
Yeah, all of these moves, it's very difficult to make them work if followers don't continue and continue. 3 and 4, face your partner, but continue moving that way. And when you go back on 7 and 8.
Yeah, so we need something here, followers.
Catch.
And out there. If you don't have those, it's just really so hard to make a piece. So I know I have to do it also in the Texas Tommy. Particularly here, followers, when you stop here, if you don't have a feeling, I gotta find the feeling and then try to get to it. It's just really tricky and things get a little dangerous. We just always want it to feel comfortable and not painful. Leaders, the ka-clunk. We found this is a bit of a symptom in a lot of leaders swing outs. 1, 2, 3, ka-clunk, boom, boom. Some sort of breaking. Sometimes it was breaking at the waist. Sometimes it's breaking just like the arm. Ka-clunk, boom, boom. Most of you have this 1, 2, 3, boom, where your footsteps way back that way, and everything goes this. So if I was doing this one jagged count of that way before this way, I want you to think about 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's 2 counts in this direction, even if you're still rotating, but instead of going 3 and 4, 3 and 4, so things are just a little bit more gradual. So what's tricky is we finally get the followers to where they go. And I think leaders, when they went, some of you were like, oh geez, and you weren't ready for them to really finish that line. So now we're both going together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have this feeling, leaders, you're at maximum buildup. They on 5. Everything goes the other way. So we'll do it this way. We'll show the Texas Tommy now. 1, 2, no ka-clunk. 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to make the hands fold like this with the thumbs down. It needs to be quick. It needs to be on count 5, not after. And it's not rough or high. It's just quick. That quick is the thing. A lot of leaders are like, and 5. How about a Texas Tommy for you floating in the water? And of course. So it has to be quick. We then added a little bit of homework. This is the double turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. For the leaders, I've done the Texas Tommy like normal. As the Val's coming around, I wait for the perfect moment until Val's hand gets right in front of her, and then I'm pushing this up and over as she rotates. So I'm adding to the rotation. We're not doing any hand switch or anything. I'm just pushing it over. That should be the S of 7. Woo! It's quick, it's not hard, it's not rough, it's on 7, woo, and it's quick.
Followers, it's a triple step turn, so it's pretty quick. And again, just remember your footwork. If it's underneath yourselves, it's going to be pretty easy. But one thing you can do to practice on your own as a homework is just do this. So you're just practicing those triple steps with turns. Make it really crisp. Practice it a lot.
Can you show that footwork one more time? Just say exactly what you're doing.
Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, and so on.
Yeah, if you're doing that by yourself, when some leader asks you to do it, you might not freak out. Yeah. That's homework. We won't see you next week, even though I very much made it seem like we will. It's Thanksgiving. We'll see you in 2 weeks. Thanksgiving break.